Sylvia and Alessandro are siblings. Sylvia loves to study, while Alessandro prefers to do physical activity. She suffers from neck pain, and her brother sometimes comes home with some discomfort after training. For both of them, Dispo Gel, the hot and cold reusable gelatin, is the ideal product. When to use heat therapy, and when to use cold therapy. Cold acts immediately on swelling, sprains, and contusions, and is therefore perfect for Alessandro. Heat therapy, on the other hand, is indicated for muscle pain and discomfort that are repeated over time and is therefore perfect for Sylvia. Buy Dispo Gel. It's designed and manufactured by Dispotech, suitable for freezer and microwave. It's customizable and can be purchased with a comfortable pocket in non-woven fabric or elastic fabric. Dispo Gel, the solution for all occasions.